Hi, welcome to my channel. So I'll be showing you how to prepare, I call it flu shots. All you just need is 2 garlic cloves, about a size of ginger like this, cayenne pepper. I usually buy my cayenne pepper from Indian store, honey, and boiled water. So you just hand grate the garlic, the 2 garlic cloves, and the ginger. I put everything in the mason jar. Sorry, the video was, I couldn't show you the process, but it just basically just hand grates, the garlic and the ginger, and put them in a cup, in a mug. I prefer using a mason jar because I get to dilute it with lots of water. And this is the garlic and ginger in here, and 1 full lemon. Just squeeze out the juice. I've done that already. And this is a teaspoon. I usually use ½ teaspoon of cayenne pepper, but if you want it more, you can use 1 full spoon of cayenne pepper. If your throat is feeling funny, your ears are itchy, it's a very good time to take this. I take this once in a week. I don't take it daily. Okay, so give it a good stir and add 1 full spoon of honey. Might want to change the spoons here. Give it a good stir. Already have my boiled water, and just boiled. This is really hot, so I'm just going to dilute it a little bit with some cold water. Okay, perfect. And this is your flu shot. That's simple. You can scoop all this out. Some people do sieve it. I really don't. I just scoop it out. Well, you should sieve the lemon just to take out the seeds in it. So this is how you make your flu shot. Okay, perfect there. The benefits are endless. It fights cold. It boosts the immune system against cold, against viruses and germs out there, against cough, and also it's very good for those who are struggling with their weight. It really slims you down. It's very effective. It's very good for slimming down. It's very, very good. So this is how it comes out to be. Thank you. You know what to do. Give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a good one. God bless you.